we heard that offering the adhan in the right ear of a newborn child is a sunnah. But now we learn that it is not authentic. So what's the verdict? The answer is true. It is not authentic. And the hadith backing it up is not authentic. So one should not do that. Not only that, some people make the adhan in the right ear, then they make the iqamah on the left ear. Why not complete the whole thing and let the child and the infant lead you in 2 rak'ah prayer? This is not from the sunnah. If it's not authentic, how could I insert it in my Islamic book? How can I ask people to do it? If it's authentic, wallahi, we would never stop doing it and we would do it all the way. But what defines whether to do it or not is the authenticity of the hadith. And the hadith is not authentic. So what to do to a newborn? Nothing. Just praise Allah Azza wa Jal. There are a number of etiquettes such as tahniq, which is stewing a very, very tiny amount of dates until it's softened. Then you take it and put it in the small, tiny, very tiny, like liquid like, and put it in the ceiling of the newborn to be the first thing he tastes. And such glucose, such material would help him in breathing, would help him in so many things, beside the fact that this is the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. Also shaving the head, circumcision, slaughtering a ram or two, depending on the gender of the child, on the 7th day, and giving the weight of the child's shaved hair in silver for charity. All of these are part of the sunnah.